Hey, what's happening guys, this is Shukesh once again, and today let me show you how you can recover your deleted files using this software called Stellar Data Recovery, and it's available for both Windows and Mac. Now with this software you can get back your deleted documents, your emails, photos, videos, your audio files, or any type of file format you can think of. Now once you activate the software, you get this add-on features, drive monitor utility and disk cloning, which makes this Stellar Data Recovery software stand out from others. This software can recover data from corrupt hard drives, lost partitions and optical media like CD, DVD, Blu-ray drives, and this works even if your crashed hard drive is inaccessible, unmounted or even formatted. This software helps you find out those lost partitions or drives, and it supports data recovery from FAT, exFAT, NTFS file formats, and as I mentioned before, no matter what happened to the drive, even if the file structure is corrupted or encrypted due to any accident or any virus attack, this software might be able to help you and save your day. With Stellar Data Recovery software, you can find and locate the missing partitions in a drive, and if the normal scan, that is quick scan, cannot find the lost partitions, there is also deep scan. This software also allows you to create a disk image for speedy recovery, and last but not the least, Drive Monitor tracks the key attributes like the temperature, drive health and the performance of a hard drive to help avoid data loss due to impending failure. The clone disk feature further allows you to create a replica of the weak drive to escape permanent data loss situations due to a failure. Now guys, let me give you a quick tour of the software itself. It's already downloaded and installed in my computer. You can check the description of this video for the download link. Now it's worth mentioning, I'm currently using the free trial version, so this is the user interface you have. You can scan for all data or specify the file type like your office documents, your folders, emails, photos, videos and your audio files. Since the scan result will contain numerous files, it's recommended to specify the file you are looking for. Now that's not all. If you click on the settings menu at the top of the window, there are options like you can specify the file extension as well as size, which is very useful if you have thousands of different kind of files, and you can even add a new file type and edit the average size of the files. Just go to the next menu option and add 10 or more sample files using the add button. This Stellar software will identify the file signature for you. If you know how to add file type, then there is option for that as well. You can add file extension and set the maximum file size. For the existing files, there is option to change the file size just like that. Now for bigger drives, the scan might take hours, so you can save the scan information and resume the scan anytime from the previously incomplete scan information you have saved. Now one of the most handy features of this software is you can turn on preview of the files that is being scanned, and once you see the file you are looking for, you can stop the scanning and recover the file right away without waiting further. You can preview corrupt photos in safe mode as well if you turn on this option, but this preview mode might slow down the process of scanning. Still, it's very useful, I think. You can switch the language from here. Guys, let me now give you a quick demo of the data recovery process. Once you select the file formats, you have the location, that is your drives and your partitions, and if the drive is not shown in the list, you can select this option, can't find my drive, and you can also recover from disk images you have created with this Stellar Data Recovery software. Now let's scan for everything on my desktop. So there you go, and it's complete. It's as fast as that. 1517 files have been found, and you can look for all the files that have been found in this tree view. So select the file you want to recover, and this software is now showing all the files that have been found, whether it's deleted or not, and you can check the preview before you recover. And if you remember the file name, you can also search for that. Now the interesting part is all the file types have been categorized, so it's now easier to find the exact file you are looking for. Now if quick scan cannot find the deleted or corrupted file on your drive, you have deep scan. It will take much longer time and it's worth the wait, and as you can see it will take about 25 hours, so take your time. You can also save the scan information and resume later. Once you try to go back to the home screen, the software will pop up this window to save the scan information in your computer. Now for the add-on disk monitor and cloning features, you have to activate the software. Now let's restart the app. Now that's how the welcome screen looks once you activate this app. I have already shown you the data recovery part, so let's talk about the additional feature, monitor drive. So there you have the user interface. You can switch to different other drives and check the temperature, the performance and the health of that drive. There is also smart status. You can check the fitness of different attributes of the drive and the disk partition health separately. So if you suspect that your hard drive or your external drives are failing, you can check the health before you lose your valuable data. You can also scan disk and look for bad sectors, and last but not the least, there is clone disk, that is you can create a clone of the whole drive and copy that into your external drive or any other disk you have. This will help you switching to a new drive you have installed into your computer. From the settings menu of this feature, you can enable temperature warning as well. Now guys, let me also quickly give you a walkthrough of this Stellar Professional Data Recovery software for Mac. It supports the all new Mac OS Mojave and all file formats including APFS, and of course the functionality is more or less the same as the Windows version I have just shown you. Now let me show you how does the user interface looks. As you can see, the skin is different, it's more graphics intensive and more intuitive, though the functions are the same as before. You can recover everything or target any specific file type. You also get all the settings and options I have shown you on the Windows version. So let's click on next, and there you have the drive I have on my computer. If you cannot find the drive you want to scan, you get this second option as well. Now if the quick scan cannot find the file you have accidentally deleted or has been corrupted, you have this deep scan as well. Of course it's gonna take much more time. Now let's try to scan the drive. There you go. The time left is about 10 or 11 minutes, which is actually quite fast considering the size of the drive. The scanned documents can be recovered from this window, and if you wish to save this scanned information for future use, you get that as well. Now for the drive monitor feature, you need to activate the software and of course restart. There you go, this is how the paid version of the software looks. You have the recover data as well as the monitor drive option, and there you go, you can check the health status of the drives you have on your Mac. The options are same as before: disk status, smart status, disk partition. You can scan the disk and of course clone the disk as well. You can also enable temperature warning for this drive. So this is how the Stellar Professional Data Recovery software for Mac works. So this new Stellar Data Recovery software is the whole package, and you can download this free of cost. You can also buy the full version for the add-on features. The price is about $80 for both Windows and Mac versions. There are some add-on packages you can also check. The buying link of this software is in the description below. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that it was useful. See you on my next review. Bye bye and keep in touch.